Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Yesterday, my business partner and I, Carly Gibson, were talking about another special assessment coming up for a condo building in town. And maybe you want to comment on this as you're perhaps downsizing and looking at a condo. Hey, nice building, but you don't want the surprise of a few years down the road, there's a $75,000 special assessment. So Condo Clear is a great company that puts out great tips for condo buyers, and this week happened to be on special assessments. They've got 3 points to consider when you're going to make an offer on a building that has a special assessment pending. First one is factor that, of course, into the purchase price. Do you actually know what it's going to be? If they say it's going to be $75,000 and they've voted and approved that number, because sometimes that number is a moving target, could be 25, 50, then it goes to 75, sometimes to 100, but that has to go into your purchase price if you're going to be making an offer in a condo like that. Then thinking about preparing financially, where's that money going to come from? Save some money, make sure you have access to it. And the third one is an important, consider the construction disruptions. If they're redoing the entire building, easily a 2-year project, do you want to live in that kind of disruption as you go about your day? They're putting new decks on and windows, all those things to think about when buying a condo. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.